Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. We are from Group 19. We will be using the Automotive custom part as our design in this project. We will be using the CADCAM software to generate the 3D model of the design for the Automotive custom part. The objective of our project are: first, to construct technical drawing in 3D modeling using CADCAM software. Second, to stimulate the drawing for machining using CADCAM software. Third, to experience in preparing standard engineering drawing. And finally, to develop teamwork among team members. Okay, for the part design, first of all, we will launch the CATIA V5 software. Then click for the Start toolbar and choose the mechanical design and then the part design. To initiate our sketching, first we will choose the desired plane axis to start the drawing. In our case, we will choose the XY axis and click the sketch icon. First, we will draw the base of the part using the dimension applied. Next, we will exit the workbench for the padding option. Click the pad icon and enter the desired amount, which is 30 mm. Next, we will go to the sketch option and choose the bottom of the XY plane and start to draw for the next part using the dimension and constraint given. Then, exit the workbench to pad the part. Pad the part to 10 mm. Next, enter the sketching mode and draw 3 drilling holes with the constraint given. Exit the workbench for the pocket mode. Choose up to last for the type on first limit. Next, enter the sketch mode. Choose the upper surface of the part to start sketching. Draw the part using the dimension given. Exit the workbench. Go for the pocket mode. Pocket it down by using the up to last mode. For the multi-section solid part, first we must enter the sketch mode, choose the XY plane and click for the plane option and enter the amount of offset for XY plane, which is 60 mm. Then we will draw a 100 mm diameter of circle on the surface of the part. Go to the point by clicking option and plot 4 points on the circle that we just drew. Then click for the offset plane and draw a 80 mm diameter circle and plot 4 points on the circle using the point by clicking option. Exit the workbench, choose multi-section solid option and choose the 2 circles that just been drawn and connect all 8 points using the coupling option and make sure to align the 2 closing points. Next, for the remove multi-section parts, first enter the sketch mode. Draw a circle with a 20 mm diameter on the surface of the part and plot 4 points on the circle. Next, draw a circle with a 60 mm diameter on the offset plane. Plot the 4 points on the circle. Exit the workbench. Click for the remove multi-section option. Choose the 2 circles that been just drew for the section option and connect all 8 points using the coupling option and make sure to align the 2 closing points and hit OK. After that, enter the sketch mode. Draw a 20 diameter circle on the surface of the parts. Then exit the workbench and click for the pocket option to pocket the circle using up to last option. Next, for the finishing touch, go to the edge fillet option and choose all the sides to be filleted. By using 20 mm radius of the fillet, hit the OK button. Next, we will fillet the 3 drilling holes by 20 mm radius. Next, go for the chamfer option and choose all the sides to be chamfered. Chamfer the side with 45-degree angle and 3 mm length. Next, for the final part, enter the sketch mode, choose the offset plane, then draw an elongated hole by the dimension given. Choose the corner option and choose the side to be cornered with 30 degree of angle. Then exit the workbench and pad the drawing. Pad by using up to plane and choose the surface plane that desired and hit the OK button. And finally, the drawing are finished.
This is a briefly presentation of the simulation in advanced machining in CADCAM. So there are basically three process steps. Number one, creating the stock. Number two, advanced machining. And number three, generating the NC code. We click insert, then we click body. Then we sketch the stock by drawing rectangle. And we must pad the stock that fits the design part, the main design part. Next, we must select the color and the transparency of the stock. Firstly, click Start, choose Machining, and click the Advanced Machining. Firstly, we must set up the references machining axis system. Next, we select Design Part for simulation. Hide the body stock for the design part, and then click Add the part design. Next, click the Stop for simulation process. Thirdly, we select the safety plane. Click the safety plane box, and note that at the top of the stock. Next, we click the manufacturing program and choose the machining strategy. Firstly, click the rough stock and select the stock at the part design. For the safety plane, then click the safety plane of the part design. And repeat the step from the bottom. Note that the bottom of the stock. Next, you must change the tool path style to a zigzag style. Select the third column in the process. Click the disable ball end tool. And then we must set the geometry as shown. Next, click the fifth column at the process. Select the pre-motion, add the exile motion, and change it into 1 mm. And repeat the process. Add the post motion with the same unit 1 mm. Then, we compute the simulation. The interface will be shown. To generate the NC code, firstly, click Tools, select the option. Go to the machining, select Output, and select Scenic. Then click OK. Next, right-click the manufacturing program, go to the manufacturing program object, choose Generate NC code interactively. Next, change the NC data type to NC code and select for all selected programs. Next, add the NC code port column, choose CNUMERIT_848D as shown, and then click Execute. The NC code will be generated automatically.